Okay, so in this next video, I'm going to be showing you step 5, creating the quiz in the LMS. Okay, so we have created the quiz and we've put the quiz into the gift code generator, and we have uploaded the questions to the to the question bank in the LMS, and we've also created a category in the gradebook. Okay, so now we're ready to create the quiz in the LMS. Okay, so we're in course B, okay, course for class B, and so we're going to scroll down here, and first thing that we have to do is create a section. Okay, and you need to give it a title. Okay, video demo. It's a good idea to give it some contents, an explanation of what it is. I'm not going to do anything there though. And you create the section. Okay, and then you go down. Okay, and it's right here. And so next you need to add a learning activity. Okay, in this LMS, the quiz is the one that we use, and so we use it for both quizzes and the online homework. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, and again, you need a name, video demo, and it's a good idea to have some sort of a description, and click on this to make sure that the description is shown on the course page. Okay. All right, then going over to the right, there are a number of settings that you have to take a look at. The first one is the visibility, and there are two important ones. One is show on the course page, and so you want to make sure that the quiz is visible when it's open, and hide it from the students. Okay, so if you don't want the students to see that there is a quiz or homework there, you just use this. Okay, the one thing that you have to remember is when the quiz or the homework assignment opens, you want to put this as show on course page. The next point is timing. Okay, and you can click on this enable, okay, for the open and close the quiz and time limit, because very often for homework assignments and for quizzes, they are open at a specific time and close at a specific time, and there's also a time limit. Okay, if you just want to have it available, then you don't do anything there. Okay, and so now it would be available all the time. Okay, I don't do anything with when time expires. I just leave it like that. For grade, you want to choose the grade category so that you'll see the grades in the grade book. And if you can see here, here's the video demo, and so now the grades will be there. Okay, we didn't have a grade to pass. Okay, attempts allowed. For quizzes, we only allowed them to do it once, but for online homework assignments, we let them do it twice. Okay, and for grading method, we always use the highest grade, but there are three other choices there. Okay, layout, you don't have to do anything there. Question behavior, you can leave like that. Review options, right? You don't want the students to be able to see the answers after they've just done a homework assignment just one time, so you need to change this. Okay, so you're going to on-click that. Marks, you're going to leave so they have an idea of how well they did. You don't need that, and you don't need the right answer. Okay, same for while the quiz is still open, you're going to on-click the same boxes. Okay, once the quiz is closed, you want them to be able to review. So the quiz is open all the time right now in this setting. So normally I would just click on the attempt, whether correct, marks, and the right answer. Okay, appearance, you don't have to do anything there. Safe exam browser, you don't have to do anything there. Extra restrictions on attempts. Normally we didn't use this, but there were a couple of times when we allowed students to take a quiz after it was closed to other students, and we may put their student number as a password so that they had to use that in order to take the quiz. Okay, but normally you don't have to do anything there. Overall feedback I did use. Okay, and so for example, especially for homework assignments, if they scored between 80% and 100%, I gave them a well done. Okay, you need a grade boundary, and so 80 was what we used, and you have to make sure that you put in the percentage mark. Okay, and for homework assignments, they had a second chance, and so if they didn't do very well on the first chance, I encouraged them to do it again. Okay, and that's it. The rest you can leave as is. Okay, so then you slide back up, and you want to make sure that you save all of those settings, and so save and return to course. Okay.